money.
Oh my god. It's probably something in there. Oh, you got fun.
Hot Wheel. All right, there you go.
Which cup do you want this time? This one?
Suspicious.
Ooh, candy. Look at that. All the candy. The eyelashes.
Glasses!
Sunglasses.
Finally, something I can have.
Nice.
Spin it. It's a top.
It's a spinning ball. Come on, Lauren.
Oh, more money.
Oh, I think, is that $10?
I don't know.
What is this?
No, I love
This one?
this yellow.
Ooh, you got another little toy. Look at that. Cute.
Oh, yay, water. Huh?
Bottle of water.
I didn't know this was my doing.
Oh, spin top.
Look at that, dude. Look at that. Oh, that is
Bring your cup. I need your cup.
Hey, we should be hydrated.
Who's the money girl? Oh my gosh.
This one? Green? A
A potato.
That's silly. That's a silly one, isn't it?
Oh. Rabbit. Bugs Bunny.
A scrunchie.
Scrunchie for your hair.
Poor Warren has the worst luck.
What is it? Hot Wheel. Oh, money.
Braxton, your turn.
Brax.
Take your cup, though.
Oh.
Orange? Let's see. Oh, candy that time. That's a lot of candy.
There you go. Oh, an apple. Well, you already got like 40 bucks or something. I don't know. Scrunchie. Money.
Money.
Which color do you want this time? This one? That one? That one? This one? Let's see. Ooh.
Oh.
green. Don't make money.
Money.
Yo-yo. Oh. Got him a buck. Another buck. Oh.
Candy.
All right, Brax, which one do you want? Oh, glasses. Reading glasses.
Those are reading glasses.
Oh, money.
Money.
Woo, good job, kiddos.
Fun